Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the CapCut beat sync tutorial. So to make the beat sync video, you need to import photos or videos and also sound into it. So here I've already import some photos and also music. And first, what you need to do is click on the audio or music that you add, and then click on the match cut, and then after that auto generate the beat so that it will have marks like this. You cannot go with beat 1 or beat 2. I'm going to just go with the beat 1, and then after that you can see there's a yellow mark in the audio here. And next, what you need to do is just make the photo align with the yellow mark. So here I'm going to go with this, and you can just click on each photos and align it with the yellow dots like that. Okay, so I've already cut or trimmed the photos aligned with the yellow dots, and after that you can just preview your videos. Okay, you can see now the photo is aligned or sync with the beat. And after that, if you're satisfied with the result, you can just export the video by clicking on the arrow at the top. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.